Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the basics ready. An unlocked Oneplus with at least 20% battery and your screen security available. First, open Settings and tap About Phone to confirm model and Android version so you know where Developer Options behaves. Once done, return to Settings and locate System or Advanced Settings depending on your build. Make sure your device is connected to a computer later, but for now, keep a USB cable handy. This speeds the process and prevents mid-step surprises. Now enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times. You'll see a toast saying you're a developer. This unlocks advanced controls. If your OnePlus groups menus differently, check Settings System or Additional Settings for developer options. Once visible, enter developer options and review the list briefly so you know where USB debugging sits. It's typically near USB configuration or debugging. Make sure you do not toggle unfamiliar options yet. We only need USB debugging for the next step. Finally, scroll to USB debugging in developer options and toggle it on. A confirmation dialog explains the risks. Confirm to proceed because you're allowing ADB access. Next, connect to your PC with a good USB cable and choose File Transfer or USB debugging mode if prompted. When the RSA key prompt appears, tap Allow to trust that computer. If the PC doesn't detect the phone, toggle USB debugging off and on. Try a different cable or port, and ensure drivers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.